Parts of Word 2016. Let us learn about the various parts of Word 2016 window.
Quick Access Toolbar. It contains commonly used buttons like Save, Undo, Redo, etc. Title bar. It displays the name of the program and the name of the document. Window control buttons. These are used to minimize, maximize, or restore and close the window. Ribbon. It is made up of tabs and groups. Text/document area. You type your text or content in the text area. Rulers. The horizontal ruler appears at the top of the document and the vertical ruler appears on the left. Scroll bars. These are used to move your document up and down and vice versa. Status bar. It shows the detailed information of the document. Zoom slider. It is used to enlarge and reduce the size of window quickly and easily.
Tabs. These are located below the title bar and quick access toolbar. Each tab has a specific group of related functions and commands that are used to complete the tasks